How to fix shadow ban on Tinder. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can fix the shadow ban on Tinder. So let's start. Now when you open the Tinder app and log into your account, you will reach an interface like this. Now if your account has been shadow banned, then you can still log into your account. However, your visibility will be significantly reduced. Basically, your account will be shadow banned if you have been doing some inappropriate actions or improper activities on the app, such as you have been swiping too quick or any other such actions. Now when you get shadow banned on the app, you'll get a notification of such. When it happens, your profile's visibility will be significantly reduced and the people on the platform won't be seeing your profile often. On top of it, it's a permanent type of ban as well. So you won't have a timer set on the shadow ban that you can wait out. So in order to fix the issue where your account has been shadow banned, the only proper and quick step is to delete your current account and then create a new account. So simply delete your current account and then uninstall the application. After that, reinstall it and then try creating a new account using different credentials. For example, use a different email address or different phone number and different photos as well. You might also want to use a different name and not upload the pictures that you had uploaded in your previous account. By doing this, your profile will look fresh and as if it's a new person. After that, you can easily use the app as you like. So in this way, you can fix shadow ban on Tinder. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.